Promote your post on the benefactor.net. Any post you create in the newsfeed can be promoted to increase visibility and amplify your content. Simply click Promote this post to boost your message and reach more users in the community. Promoting your post, also known as boosting, directly supports the ecosystem. When content is boosted, 20% of the fees are redistributed through paid forward rewards to active users across the platform. More visibility for your content while helping strengthen the entire community. Simply select your desired package to get started. And voila! Your content is now boosted. It's that simple. Your post will now appear in the rotating circulation at the top of the newsfeed, increasing its visibility across the platform. No complicated algorithms or expensive bidding systems. Every promoted post rotates equally, giving everyone a fair opportunity for exposure. Your boosted post will display this sponsored tag, clearly indicating that your content has been promoted for greater visibility. To view analytics and details for your boosted content, click on the three dots to open the drop-down menu, then select View Promoted Post Details. This section allows you to view and manage all of your promoted posts in one place. You can review performance metrics like views and clicks, and take actions such as viewing the post, deleting the promotion, renewing it, or stopping the renewal. To renew this promotion, click this icon and choose either a one-time renewal or continuous renewal, which keeps the promotion running until you turn it off. The time frame clearly shows when your promotion will end or automatically renew. A simple and transparent approach designed to support a better Web3 SocialFi ecosystem on the benefactor.net.